Question 15 is 7 marks. The question asks, make G the subject. You can pause the video and try it yourself because we are doing it now. Let's zoom in. That's better, isn't it? Now, to make G the subject, we need to make G in one side and everything else on the other side. Now, there are a lot of things here. There is 7, 11, 5, 2, and the square root. They are all on the same side of G. We don't want them. So what I will do first, I'll get rid of the square root. How do we get rid of the square root? We square here and we square there. Now on the left side, we will have e squared equal. On this side, these two will cancel the square root. So you will have 7g plus 5 divided by 11 plus 2g. Okay, what do we do next? Whenever you have such setting, just add 1 down here and then think of the cross multiplication. This time this and this time that. Alright, so 7g plus 5 times 1 is just 7g plus 5. Now, that's equals. On this part, e squared times, make brackets because it's 2 terms here. So it's going to be e squared times 11 plus 2g. We are doing very good job. This is amazing. Let's finish it. Now, on the next step, I'll just multiply the e squared inside. So I'll keep this 7g plus 5 equals, multiply the e squared inside. It's going to be 11e squared plus 2g times e squared is 2g e squared. That's fantastic. Now we can move the g's to be together in the same side. What I will do now, I'll do minus 7g here. It looks like y. And minus 7g here. This will cancel. Now on the left side, we just have 5 equals 11e squared plus 2g e squared minus 7g. That's good. This 11e is sitting with the g's. We don't want you here. So we do minus 11e squared minus 11e squared to cancel this 11g. This is amazing. Let's look at what we have. Now on the left side, we are just having 5 minus 11e squared. This equals to, on the right side, we have 2g e squared plus, minus 7g. Are we finished? No, we need just g. So have you noticed in these terms, there is a g here and there is a g there? Yes. So we just take that as a common factor. Now, with the g outside, if you take g out of this part, you will have 2 and e squared left. So 2e squared minus. If you take the g out, you will have 7 left. This is the final step. To get g the subject, you need to cancel. You need to get rid of these. So we'll divide by 2e squared here minus 7. Divide by 2e squared minus 7. And this is finally cancelled. So we have g equals 5 minus 11e squared divided by 2e squared minus 7. And that's it. You don't try to cancel this. This is wrong. You can't do that. Alright, just leave it like this. This is the final answer. Now let's look at part B. That part was 4 marks. Gosh, that's a lot, isn't it? It's a lot. It's nice. Now let's look at the second part. The second part says, solve the inequality. To solve this, there are different ways, and many teachers use many ways. And there are some tricks on YouTube I've looked at. Just don't do that, please. Whenever you have a number here instead of 1, try to use the quadratic formula. It's easy. It's given in the formulas. You don't need to memorize it, so just use the quadratic formula. Let's first write it. Y equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all that divided by 2a. Now, a is always in front of x or y squared, so this is a, this is b, and c is negative 32. Now let's just put them in here, and you will use the calculator. It's just that easy. So y equals minus b is 4, so it's minus 4, plus or minus root, b is 4 again, so 4 squared, minus 4 times 3 times negative 32. C is negative 32. All that divided by 2 times 3. 2 times 3. Now, don't even think. Just plug this all in your calculator. The first time, you use a plus sign, and the second time, you use a minus sign. And then you will get y equals 8 over 3. And the calculator tells you, sorry, y equals negative 4. Now, this is the solution of a quadratic equation, while the question here gave you an inequality. So in such case, the smaller number, just put it on the left side, and the bigger number, put it on the right side, and then use the same sign in the inequality. It's that, so we do that. We use this sign, and that's it. That's your answer. You can do what? You can then write minus 4 is more than x, comma, x is more than 8 over 3. And that's your 7 marks for this question. Was it easy?